Are you ready? Let's dive in.
When the power went out during the event, the team kept calm and thought on their heads, feet, own instinct. The correct answer is feet. The idiom "think on your feet" means to react quickly and effectively in a difficult or unexpected situation. It's all about fast, smart thinking. She had to make a big decision without much time. It was truly a moment of truth or dare. Crash, break, pressure. The correct answer is break. The idiom "a make or break moment," often shortened in speech to truth or break style, is a critical point where things will either succeed or fail. High stakes. He didn't want to go to the party, but his friends pushed him, so he finally gave. Over, in, up, away. The correct answer is in. The idiom "give in" means to stop resisting or saying no. He finally agreed to go, even if he wasn't excited about it. The news shocked her, but she managed to hold it. Inside, down, tight, together. The correct answer is together. The idiom "hold it together" means to stay emotionally stable during a difficult moment. Even when you're overwhelmed, you don't break down. Things were chaotic, but she quickly got her act and handled the problem. Straight, around, together, moving. The correct answer is together. The idiom "get your act together" means to become organized or start behaving responsibly. She stopped panicking and took control. I thought the project would fail, but Sarah pulled a rabbit out of her and saved the day. Sleeve, pocket, hat, desk. The correct answer is hat. The idiom "pull a rabbit out of a hat" means to do something surprising or unexpected, like a magician, especially when solving a problem. He was late, unprepared, and still nailed the presentation. Talk about thinking outside the line. Square, box, scene. The correct answer is box. The idiom "think outside the box" means to think creatively or come up with solutions in an unusual way. It's great for problem solving. She was overwhelmed at first, but now she's got everything under pressure, order, control, focus. The correct answer is control. The idiom "have something under control" means you're managing a situation well. It was stressful, but now everything is running smoothly. Despite all the criticism, he stuck to his and didn't change his position. Guns, weapons, mines, roots. The correct answer is guns. The idiom "stick to your guns" means to stay firm in your beliefs or decisions, even when others disagree or pressure you. The meeting was intense, but after hearing his argument, she saw the writing on the board, window, wall, door. The correct answer is wall. The idiom "the writing on the wall" refers to clear signs or indications that something bad is going to happen, often signaling the end of something. It's about recognizing a situation before it fully unfolds.
How did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let's see who's the ultimate quiz master. Want more fun quizzes? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a challenge. New quizzes are coming soon, so stay sharp and keep learning. Until next time, stay curious and keep quizzing.